And that's Hollywood at 12:10. This is our new season entertainment for Sunday evening on Granada.
And that's it for this Saturday evening here on Granada. We hope you've enjoyed being with us. We shall be on the air again at 9:25 a.m. with a full range of programmes for your Sunday entertainment. The forecast for tomorrow, it is expected to be mainly cloudy, with most places staying dry, although a little light rain or drizzle may affect coasts and hills at times, especially during the morning. Temperatures similar to today, around 17 degrees centigrade, that's 63 Fahrenheit in the afternoon. We hope you have a nice day, whatever you do, but if you can, do join us here on Granada. And now, with the time coming up at 21 minutes to 2, from all of us here at Granada, I'd like to say to all of you out there, we hope you have a pleasant and a peaceful night. Good night.